All right. All right. Are you ready, Shauna? We're going to
I'm
open
ready.
I'm so excited about the new books that are going to help DLD students see themselves in a book. So this is a Christmas present. Don't tell my daughter.
I just ordered them. I'm so excited for mine
Here
to
we
get here.
go. Are you ready? They're big. I thought they were going to be smaller.
Oh, that's so
Drew
nice.
and the Magic Pencil. And this is a okay. I'm very ex oh, and it's so um dedicated
Mm.
to all the amazing children and learners who inspire us with their creativity and resilience. May your voices shine brightly and your stories be heard. This book is for you, celebrating every unique journey and the power of words.
Oh,
Isn't that
I just
fun to
love this.
just look at? Oh my gosh. In the forest full of bright flowers lived Drew L. Dandelion. Drew loved to watch bugs. Somebody else we know likes to watch bugs.
Perfect.
And splash in puddles. His best friends were Lily Ladybug and Sammy Salmon. Every morning, Drew would wave to all the flowers and bugs as they woke up. He had so many stories to tell them about his dreams and his ideas. Sound familiar?
Yeah, that's lovely.
Okay, so I won't give away the whole book, but it goes on. So there's Lily. I know from reading before, I love this. Look at the illustrations.
Oh, that's
So when you
lovely.
struggle with speaking and expressing yourself, you go, find friend new flower, help. Just hard to spit out your words, and it can be very frustrating
Yeah.
for those kids. And so up in a tree, Oliver, the wise owl, listened. And he flew down, wrapping a wing around Drew. Everyone shares stories differently. When words get stuck, say breathe, wait, take your time. The words will come, they'll be just fine. You want to
That
grab?
resonates so well with DLD.
Yeah. And here he is learning how to manage it when things aren't easy to express. I love these illustrations.
Oh, I can't wait to get that.
It's a thick, long book, like
Did you? Yep,
pages. I
yep.
thought it was just going to be a small, like half this size, and maybe just a couple of pages. Because I saw, and there's Lily. She, I know in the next book,
Yes, yes, yes.
she
Oh,
has
good.
problems with receptive language. So she is struggling to take in the language that people are sharing with her. And so, oh, don't worry, we can practice together. And then they have strategies that they're given. See, he's going to learn to breathe, wait, take your time. The words will come. They'll be just fine. I can't wait to like dig in deeper to all of
This
this.
is great.
Wow. Oh, look, there's a forest festival.
I
Fun.
don't think I've ever seen a book for kids to read to kids with other children with DLD. So
No,
this is really
doesn't
exciting.
exist. Doesn't exist. And she's Canadian.
Oh, that's amazing.
This is Anne Laurie, and she has an assessment for kids with a language assessment to help us determine, are they struggling with taking in? Are they struggling with expressing using language? And of course, dyslexia can also go along with that, where they struggle with just reading at the word level. And then, so he explains, I guess, how, I don't know, it just looks like it's turning out okay in the end.
Yeah, I love that.
Love it.
Giving ideas for them, right?
For them to, yeah. And then Lily gets her own book and she struggles with understanding what's going on when people are talking. And then the strategy for her is Lily heard the words, but what should she do first? So they give her a notebook and they teach her how to use a notebook. And
Oh,
can
that's
be very
sweet.
frustrating for everybody. Beautiful. And then the next, wait, let's see where she gets the notebook. I can't believe how gorgeous this book is. It is, it is big.
Yeah, the
It feels
illustrations are
substantial and
lovely.
it's a
Yeah.
really good storyline. Here's her strategy. When the steps feel tricky, do these three. Ask for help, take your time, number the steps, and you'll do just fine.
Oh, that's
And then, of course,
amazing.
some kids have both the the expressive and the receptive challenges, and they have a
Yeah.
third book coming about Sam, I think, and he's got both. So he has to use
Yeah.
both strategies. I just think it's brilliant.
Amazing. And always good to read books, even if a child
Yeah.
doesn't have DLD, to understand what other kids go through, right?
Yes.
So that's lovely.
Thanks for unboxing
Well,
it.
thanks for sharing, Martha.
And thanks, Lori. And Lori, no, Anne. Anne Lori, PhD, illustrated by Robin C. Grant. Get them today.
Amazing.
Tricoast Adventures. That's who publishes these.
The website.
They're
Yes.
I was just at a presentation and it was excellent. I'm very excited.
Oh, thank you.